Hi, Whitley. This is what I think you could use if you wanted to, or Daddy can do this for you. It doesn't matter. But there were 4 questions for your social studies, and it says Whitley's lemonade stand. So you're supposed to devise a plan. They want to know, number 1, what resources will you need? And they gave examples like people. Are you going to hire somebody to work your lemonade stand, or will it just be you? Or will it be you and your sister and you're not going to pay your sister? So you could put Whitley, or you could put myself and my sister, or me and my sister and my dad. And then what supplies do you need for a lemonade stand? Do you need lemons and water and sugar? Maybe some packets of stevia if people don't want to use sugar. Maybe some, what are they called? Something to hold the lemonade, like a container. And then do you need some funds probably to start all that, because you got to send Daddy to the store to get some lemons, and you probably have all the containers you need to pour the lemonade, right? So you could put money for lemons or something like that. And then what cost would there be for these resources? So are you going to pay your sister and your dad, or are you going to put 0 here and say none because it's my family? Supplies, well, you probably need to Google how much lemons cost at Harris Teeter or Whole Foods right now, or Amazon or whatever. So if you wanted to get a couple of bags of lemons, you would need to put that here. And then the sugar, how much does sugar cost, and how much does stevia cost if you're going to use that? Maybe just stick with sugar. And then you would add it up, and then you would put the answer right there. Number 3, who would be your possible consumers? Well, are you going to have people order it online? I doubt it. Or are you going to set up outside? Maybe have the people from Daddy's neighborhood come by? Or are you going to go down to the Greenway near Birkdale and have some of the walkers and runners buy it? So this is where you would put neighbors and people walking and running, or whatever you want right there. Maybe your grandma and grandpa, if they could drive up and get some. And then the final thing is the hard one, and that's how much lemonade would you have to sell. So I put a little thing right here. When you get the answer, you could put how many cups and for how much money. So how much you're going to charge per cup to make a profit. So let's say if a bag of lemons cost $5 and you only got 1 bag of lemons, and a bag of sugar cost $2, that you're $7 in. So how are you going to make a profit? Well, you need to sell enough cups to make at least $7, and that'll make you break even. And then a profit is anything over the $7. So how many cups would you have to sell at, I don't know, 50 cents? Or do you want to say $1? That might be easier. $1 a cup to make $7. So you probably need to get your exact numbers here, but that's just a general way to do it. So you do your math here. You'd say $5 for the lemons, $2 for the sugar. Add it up, you get $7. And then you could say, I need to sell at least 8 cups at $1 each to make a profit. So Daddy will help you walk through that, but that's just an example. And then your assignment is complete. I love you. Bye-bye.